Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today. I am so excited about today's video, you guys. I'm so excited. And I'm excited. Today's video is our first ever giveaway Friday video, and it's the first of many yet to come. So I am super excited. I'm going to explain exactly what I mean by that. But first I have to address one thing because it's driving me nuts, and that is the mess that is going on behind me. Ignore it please, because I'm trying very hard to ignore it myself, and just ignore it, and maybe it will just go away. I'm very unorganized when it comes to this is like my free-for-all. This is where I throw everything that I'm like working on and looking at and trying to figure out. It just gets all stuffed right behind me, so just ignore it please. Okay, back to today's video, which is super exciting. It's our very first giveaway Friday video, and basically I'm going to be trying to have a giveaway every single Friday. I know, ambitious of me, but I'm gonna do it, you guys. It's not gonna be like a huge giveaway because I don't have yarn sponsors. I don't have people giving me yarn to give to you guys. I have to literally buy all my yarn myself, and well, it's expensive. So they're gonna be small giveaways, nothing you're gonna want to write home about, but I think they're nice. I have a lot of yarn that I know I'm never going to use. It's all very nice yarn, all very brand new yarn. I just know that I'm never going to use it. So I thought I would share with you guys. So every Friday we're going to have a giveaway, and the following Tuesday I'm going to announce a winner. Now all you have to do to enter this giveaway, every Friday, by the way. Every Friday to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is first, you have to be a US resident because it's only open to US. And that is just because I can't afford to ship outside of the States. So it's only open to US residents. 2, you have to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. You have to make sure that your notifications are turned on also. Because like I said, we are going to be announcing the winner on the following Tuesday. You don't want to miss that video. What if you win? You don't want to miss that. So keep that in mind. And give this video a thumbs up. And in the comments below, I'm going to ask a question every Friday, and all you have to do is answer it. Today's question for the very first ever giveaway Friday is, what is your favorite movie? Like your all-time favorite movie from, I don't care if it was from when you were little to now you're big, just what was your all-time favorite movie? Like you can never pass up kind of movie. I'm looking for new movies to watch, so I just need some ideas. What's your favorite movie? I'm curious. Leave that in the comments below. And on Tuesday, August 6th, today is Friday, August 2nd, I will be announcing a winner on August 6th, Tuesday. I will have the YouTube comment randomizer, and it will randomly choose one of your answers, one of you guys. So that's who's going to win. Super excited. Again, you guys, remember, they're not big giveaways. But now I'm going to show you guys what this giveaway is for today, Friday, August 2nd. This is what you could possibly win if you're interested in winning it. And that is 3 of Premier's Candy Shop cakes. There's 3 of them. They're all the same color, which I think the color is Razzle. It's a blue color, but they're all the same, and they each have 260 yards. It is 100% acrylic, and it is a worsted weight, and it is so, so soft. I got this last year in a Premier mystery bag, and it's super soft. I love the yarn. Blue is really not my colorway. So I know a lot of you out there love this stuff and love the color blue. It's not that I have anything against blue, I just know I'm not going to use this, so why hoard it? Why save it? I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. So yeah, I have 3 of these, and again, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is 1, live in the US, 2, make sure you're subscribed and the notifications are turned on, 3, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below answering the question, what is your favorite all-time movie ever? And that's it. And every Friday, you guys, we're going to have another giveaway. Again, it'll be a small giveaway, nothing great, nothing spectacular, but it'll be a giveaway. And every following Tuesday, I will announce a winner. So I hope you guys like that idea. I'm doing my best. I just really want to give back to you guys. I hope you guys liked what the giveaway is. Again, I know, but it's still nice. It's nice yarn and it's free, so hey, can't beat that. And Tuesday, August 6th, I will announce the winner. I do want to tell you this, guys, though. I'm going to wait till the end of the month to mail out all the winnings. So for like the whole month of August, on like August 31st or August 30th, I will go to the post office with all the packages of all the winners, and I will mail them all out at the same time. So you're not going to get, like, if you win Tuesday, you're probably not going to get this until like the beginning of next month. So sorry. But I don't want to go, the post office is kind of far, and I don't want to drive to the post office like all the time. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. But yeah, so very first ever giveaway Friday. This is what it is. To enter, remember, US only. Comment down below your favorite movie of all time. Make sure you're subscribed and the notifications are turned on. I think that's it. So that's it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited about giveaway Fridays. I know I am. And yeah, get to liking, get to commenting, get to subscribing and turning on your notifications, and I will announce a winner on Tuesday. So until Tuesday, you guys, for this video anyway, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.